camera's picking it up or not. But the spark has set pretty good. Rendered pretty good. Hey guys, so welcome to 805 Barbecue Junkie. So this is what I got. Pull it out. It's a chuck roast. So it's gonna be just a quick season. Some people call this poor man's brisket tips, but can't compare it. I've already had it. I made this, I don't know, about maybe a month ago, maybe longer. Anyways, I'm gonna go simple today. Before I get there, check out the marbling. You guys got it? You guys can see it? Too bad I don't have a butcher's twine. I can just tie it up. Alright, so this is what I'm gonna season it with. Just too lazy to make my own. So before I season it, let me get a binder in there. I like this better than mustard. To me, it gives it a little different flavor. Not much, but it sort of does. Oh man, it's gonna be delicious. So this has a lot of salt, so let me see. Season medium heavy. Medium heavy. It's already all falling apart. We're never even started cooking it yet. Be a couple inches away from the meat when you season. Oh, too much came out. So with this, I'm gonna go ahead and add on, what do you call this? Teriyaki sauce. I don't know, maybe a cup, 2 cups of teriyaki sauce. This is going to be 2 separate videos, guys. So let's start the timer. Start. All right. We'll see how long this goes. Is that better? Well, I'm reading at 275, a little under 275. This is what I'm talking about. See my smokestack right there? It's just a little white smoke. Not much. But it's pretty clear. Whoa. Pretty clear, right? It's very easy, guys, to smoke. Takes practice, of course. But it's easy once you get it. Just keep at temp. Maybe I'll do a video on fire management. But there's a lot of videos out there right now on fire management. You always can just look one up. Nope. I don't know if the camera's picking it up or not. But the spark has set pretty good. Rendered pretty good. I'm going to go ahead and wrap it in foil. Not butcher paper, because I'll put a nice glaze to this bad boy. Almost 4 hours ready to wrap, and it was at 176 ready to wrap. I'm not gonna put nothing on there just quite yet. So I'm gonna get it between, I don't know, 200, 205. We'll see how it goes before I take it off. I'm gonna cut it up in cubes and then put it back. So I don't want to lose none of those juices. Keep them all in. Almost two. Well, let's just call it 200. Just pull it off. Sucker's hot. It's falling apart already. So just put it in cubes. Pretty tender. Pretty tender. It's hot. So you guys see the smoke ring? Pretty good, right? Just gonna hit them with salt, pepper, garlic. Get another depth of flavor up in there. Mix that up. Put some honey. Couple tablespoons or whatever. Throw a little bit of Worcestershire sauce. Worcestershire. A little bit of teriyaki sauce. I'm telling you guys gotta try this. It's fire. Like beyond delicious. So I'm gonna cover it with foil, put it back in. Check this out. So let's try this out. I'm making a mess here. Fire.